In a world filled with wonders and mysteries, there are stories that captivate our imagination and touch the deepest corners of our souls. Welcome to the Symphony of Nature. In the heart of untouched wilderness, where the echoes of nature compose a masterpiece, life dances to the rhythm of the elements. From the majestic peaks that pierce the heavens to the tranquil rivers that flow with purpose, every note is played by the unseen hand of Mother Earth. As the seasons change, a symphony of colors emerges from the Earth's canvas. The delicate petals of a blossom unfold, harmonizing with the gentle whispers of the wind. In this magical melody, the vibrant hues paint a portrait of beauty that words cannot fully describe.